Hello all, and welcome to week 3 of your virtual learning. As I said earlier, this week is going to look a little bit different. We are going to get back to some of the things that we were doing before we started this distance learning journey. And what I'm going to do is what you're seeing on your screen is kind of a schedule of what your week is going to look like. So it's broken out by day and then it's broken out by subject. So we're adding some Lexia back in to our week. And I've also added a reading passport activity, which you'll see on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then from that reading passport activity, you will go in and actually post a picture of yourself doing one of the activities to a Padlet. And I'm going to show you where all this is at because you're going to be still recording your work on Seesaw. Then for math, you'll do green lights each day. And then on Monday, I will be pushing out a video of a math lesson, and our focus for the week of April 6th through April 10th will be decimals. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, you're going to do some MobyMax that has to do with decimals. And then on Wednesday and Friday, along with your green light, you'll continue doing your iReady math journey. Then on BrainPop, I have assigned some videos for you to watch on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that have to do with natural disasters. On Monday, you're going to be watching a video about natural disasters. It's kind of an overall video. Wednesday, tornadoes, and then Friday, hurricanes. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, you have free choice where you will be able to go in and choose something from the mystery science to work on. Then down here at the bottom, the specials teachers have shared out a Google site that has activities for you to participate in with regards to art, music, PE, and library. And then I also on Mondays at 10 o'clock will push out a weekly Connect activity. So that's something that we can work on all week. So just to show you what it looks like on Seesaw, you're going to see here that I have, again, you have your first slide is going to be your Brain Smart Start. Your second slide is a screenshot of what I was just showing you, your week 3 virtual learning kind of schedule. Then the third slide is your to-do list for Monday. And here's a picture of that reading passport. And then it says your 2 Lexia units, read for 15, I think I said 20 on the virtual learning, so 15 to 20 minutes. Choose one activity from this. You're going to take a picture of yourself doing that, post it to the Padlet, reflex green light, watch and participate in my flipped math lesson, watch your BrainPop video, and then over here is where you're going to record your information about natural disasters. The next slide has the screenshot of the reading passport and then a link to the Padlet. You're probably going to have to copy this into a new tab to open it, okay? And then from there, you can upload the picture that you've taken of yourself doing one of these activities. And then finally, here is the link to the specials, which again, you'll probably have to copy and paste into a new tab for that to open. And then finally, I went ahead and left the Maydo activities. Again, these are completely optional. These were shared by the district. Okay, so just to kind of review what I said, each day you're just going to follow this plan. So Monday, you follow this. Tuesday, this. Wednesday, this. Thursday, and Friday. So each day you're getting a green light. So by the end of the week, you should have 5 green lights. You should have 4 MobyMax lessons done by Friday. Those will be assigned lessons about decimals. You should have 2 iReady math lessons done. You should have 6 Lexia units done, which is our normal goal. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, you have an iReady lesson each day, so it's 2 iReady lessons. Okay? Keep in mind on Tuesday and Thursday, I've lightened it a little bit, so you don't actually have a writing and you don't have any independent reading to do those days. So Tuesdays and Thursdays will be a little lighter when it comes to the workload. Okay, the specials teachers have shared out information here. And then the other thing that I wanted to tell you about is next week, starting on Monday, is a Ridgeview Spirit Week. So that has also been shared out, I believe, on ClassTag, but I am getting ready to send an overall message with all of the new things to come. And I just wanted to let you know, look for the math lesson that will be shared out on Monday. I will be doing that lesson and then I will be pushing it out on Google Classroom. So I will probably send you an announcement in Seesaw to remind you to go and complete that lesson. Okay? As always, I am available for questions. Please feel free to email me, class tag message me, whatever you need assistance with. I have went ahead and in Clever, in our distance learning platform that I made, I added the Lexia tab and I added the MobyMax. So you should still be able to go into the distance learning folder and access those applications that you need to complete anything that you see here on the week at a glance. Okay, so work hard this week. And again, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask. You will be reporting this information on Seesaw. That assignment will come out Monday. Your Connect activity will be published at 10 o'clock on Monday. All right, happy learning. Have a good weekend.